how did Sanam Teri Kasam happen?
I was actually I did his film was the first film that I shot for, and it's called Satra Ko Shadi Hai. And then I went back to Hyderabad because I predominantly work in Hyderabad in Telugu films. And then I got a call from Sanam Teri Kasam's office, and I knew I knew about the directors, and I knew that they make some awesome music videos, and I was very lalchi because I wanted to be presented really well, and there are some people who present you really well. So I really wanted to come, but I couldn't come because I was shooting. So I was 2.5 months late, and when I came here, they'd already casted. So मेरे मतलब मेरी काफ़ी बुरी हालत हो गई थी सुन के. But in the same meeting, I started telling them what I actually felt about the script because I had read a synopsis, and I told them that this role belongs to me and no one else. And they were like a little taken aback because they were starting the shoot in next 2 days.
Okay.
They were starting the poster shoot, and the boy had been signed, the guy, and he was somewhere around the office, and his contract was lying around, and my directors showed it to me. Radhika and Vinay said they showed it to me and said, "Keep the hero has been signed, and what are you talking about?" So I told them that I connect with the character to the level that I see my father's body language, his mannerisms, and his gestures in my character. And I think this just belongs to me. Please don't say no right now. Say no after you see my clip. If you don't understand it, if you don't comprehend it, you can stick with your answer, but just wait for me to show you the clip. And I showed them the clip, and they tell me that they were blown away by it, and then suddenly everything changed, and then one day the whole thing changed. The costumes were done, and it's great that the producer also went ahead with this decision, because it's very difficult for a producer especially, and for directors of course, to change there's a whole paradigm shift when you change the actor one day before the shoot. So that's how I got it.
Okay, saying that you started your career with television, you started with Left, Right, Left. Then how come that shift directly to South movies?
So I did only one TV show because Shah Rukh sir did a TV show called Fauji. So I thought कि मैं भी कुछ सेम कर दूंगा तो शायद कुछ हो जाएगा. तो मैंने Left, Right, Left किया, and I also did an acting course from where he did an acting course, Barry John. So ये दो चीज़ें करके मुझे लगा बस मैंने अपना homework कर लिया. Now I should move forward, and that's when I got an offer from South. It was a 4-hero film.
Okay.
And I was more than happy to do it because I'm from nowhere, and for me to even be on the screen was a very very big thing. So I jumped at the offer, went to Hyderabad, and that's how I got into films. And I remember for 3 or 4 years I didn't have much work after my first film. So that's when I was buying some old furniture from near the railway station. I was retexturing it because I do a little bit of carpentry, and then I was selling that furniture. That's how I lived in Hyderabad for a bit. And then suddenly in 2013, towards the end, I got some 5-6 films, out of which one was Satra Ko Shadi Hai. So that gave me the exposure in Bollywood.
How do you plan to straddle between South films and Bollywood films?
By traveling in a flight. It's just 50 minutes away. I think nowadays, thankfully, the distance is, it's come down to less than an hour. So it's become very easy for me to travel, to go for my meetings, and to shoot in both cities. So that is not a problem anymore.
No, but you might miss on some projects, some Bollywood projects if you're shooting for South and vice versa.
Definitely, you can't have everything from everywhere. So you definitely, if you're lucky enough to be working in two industries, you will definitely miss out also on something. That's a part and parcel of working in two industries.
Do you still get television offers?
Yeah, I do. I do, and it's very tempting. Let me tell you, the money in it is so tempting that I come to know about the power of money on a human mind, how it plays with you. But then you have to ask yourself what you really want to do, and is it the money that you came here for? So my answer is usually no. So that's why I stick to what I'm doing.
Okay, saying that, have you been receiving offers? A, what kind of offers that you've been receiving? And B, what are the kind of offers you are seeking out to do?
Luckily, both are the same. The kind of offers I'm getting is exactly what I seek out for, and that is to work with great directors. And my only urge, my the pull inside me is to work with great people, great directors, because directors, I see them as I could. They are the gods of their own world because they create characters, they create stories. So for me to work with a passionate mad god, that's what I really look out for, and that's the kind of offers I'm getting as of now.
Saying success, does also the numbers matter to you? Numbers in the sense of how much the movie has earned, and what has the movie, how has the reception actually been outside in terms of numbers? Yeah.
Yeah, numbers definitely matter to me, even though I'm very bad at mathematics. I hate maths. That's why I love arts. But the number which I remember right now is 48 days because the movie is still running in Gati. But you know what? As an outsider, you do not, when you don't belong to a film family, numbers are really not your forte.
Okay, since you worked in South films and in Bollywood now, so how are these two worlds apart?
Uh, yeah, the only thing which I think is different is the promotions. Apart from that, there's no difference.
So it is, link ups and all during promotions are a part of Bollywood. So how is it for you? Was it like anyway different, or was it like it had to be a part and parcel of it?
No, Stuti, I think it's our job to act. It's Jwala's job to play, and it's the media's job to talk about it. Or so everyone is doing their job, and it is a obvious thing, as you said, that these things do happen. And she's actually my neighbor in Hyderabad. She lives 2 lanes apart, and I play badminton. So maybe that's the link.
Okay. What next? What's your upcoming films that you're looking toward?
I have this very exciting project which has come my way, and I am mostly finalizing on this one, and it's going to start in a month or two. So just waiting for the official announcement. Message for everyone is thank you so much for loving Sanam Teri Kasam, and I just hope and pray that I keep coming up with such projects, and be disciplined, be honest to yourself, and keep working hard.